Are you trying to log in your Google Workspace account? I know it is really frustrating to be logged out of your own account, especially when you've got work piling up. Google Workspace sign-in errors can happen for all kinds of reasons. For example, forgotten password, a browser issue, or even something as simple as setting that got changed without realizing it. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resolve this problem. And in this case, if you need additional help, feel free to dial the numbers on the screen to get one-on-one guidance from our experts. Now, let's jump right into the solutions. Method 1. Verify the registration date. Open your browser and search for the domain registration data lookup tool. There are several free ones available online. Once the tool is open, simply type in your domain name in the search bar and hit the search to pull up your domain's registration details. From the results, find the registration date section and check the expiry date to confirm whether your domain is still active and valid. Note, if your domain has already expired, don't worry. Simply re-register it and you should be able to log back into the Google Workspace account without any further issues. If you're unable to log in after checking your domain, the issue might be related to your DNS settings, and that's exactly what we'll look at in the next method. Also, if you're finding these steps helpful, we'd love if you'd subscribe to our channel and join our growing community. Method 2. Look for your DNS. Open your browser and search for the DNS lookup tool to choose any free options from the results and open it up to get started. Once the tool is open, type in your domain name and click DNS lookup to run the search and fetch your DNS records. When the result appears, carefully go through them and make sure your MX records are correctly listed and properly configured, as any missing or incorrect values here could be the reason behind your login issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.